A small flame can turn into a life-threatening fire in less than 60 seconds. In that critical moment, you won't have time to search for help. But one simple device on your wall could make the difference between control and catastrophe. Today, we're exploring fire extinguishers, why they matter, the different types, and how to use them correctly.
A fire extinguisher is a portable safety device designed to put out small fires in their early stages. It contains a pressurized extinguishing agent that can quickly suppress flames before they spread. You'll find them in homes, schools, offices, factories, and vehicles, because when seconds count, they matter most.
Most fires start small. But without immediate action, they grow fast and uncontrollably. A properly placed and maintained fire extinguisher can stop a fire before it becomes a disaster, protecting lives, property, and peace of mind.
Water extinguishers are designed for Class A fires, involving solid materials like wood, paper, and fabric. They cool the burning material and remove heat from the fire. However, they should never be used on electrical fires or flammable liquids.
Foam extinguishers are ideal for flammable liquid fires, such as gasoline or oil. They work by forming a thick blanket over the liquid surface, cutting off oxygen and preventing reignition.
Carbon dioxide extinguishers are commonly used for electrical fires. They displace oxygen around the fire without leaving residue, making them perfect for offices, server rooms, and electronic equipment.
Dry powder extinguishers are versatile and widely used. They can tackle solid materials, flammable liquids, and electrical fires, making them a popular choice for homes and vehicles.
When using a fire extinguisher, remember the word pass. Pull the safety pin. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Squeeze the handle firmly. Sweep from side to side until the flames are out. Always keep a safe distance, and never turn your back on the fire.
A fire extinguisher is more than just equipment on a wall. It's a silent guardian, waiting for the moment it's needed most. Make sure you have the right type. Make sure it's maintained. And most importantly, make sure you know how to use it. Because preparation today could save a life tomorrow.